Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Pyrex Smart Essentials 3-pack prepware mixing bowl set, 1 cutie, 1.5 cutie, 2.5 cutie, glass mixing bowls, dishwasher, microwave and freezer safe. 3-piece set includes 1 QT, 1.5 QT, and 2.5 QT round glass bowls. This is the perfect set for all manners of prepping, baking and home entertainment. Everyday use, high-quality tempered glass gives you a peace of mind when managing your food, resists stains and odors. Worry less about scrubbing hard to get rid of stains or any funny smells. Low maintenance, these glass bowls are freezer, microwave, and dishwasher safe. No need to hold back when warming your food or storing your leftovers for tomorrow. Limited warranty. This item has a limited warranty. A trusted brand, loved for generations, experienced cooks and beginners alike have reached for Pyrex brand glassware products, because they're affordable, durable, and great for all their cooking, serving and storing needs. Thanks for watching and subscribe.